Congratulations, Mr. Krabs.
Hello, I like money.
Hedera, HBAR, and QNT Quant, two cryptocurrencies that I think may potentially reach a $50, maybe even $100 billion market capital by the next crypto bull run, or at least within the peak of the Euphoria altcoin bull run. So I'm going to show you why I think this could happen, because it is on the cards. I'm not saying it definitely will happen. It is certainly speculation, but it all comes down to the global cryptocurrency charts, the total cryptocurrency market capital, the social dominance of these coins, and also the actual overall market dominance that we're seeing. So the percentage of the coin worth versus the global market capitalization of cryptocurrency at any given time. So we can see right now crypto is 1.19 trillion market capitalization. We can see Quant right here. Currently, when we look at the stats, it's sitting at $1.2 billion market capitalization. And if we do go back in time, there is a coin known as Cardano that you're very much aware of that actually did this during the bear run. It was sitting around $1 billion. It had a rather low market dominance, and then it did a 100x as all the way up to basically 100 billion during the crypto bull run, right? The peak of the bull run. So I want to share with you why I think this could possibly happen, because if we are sitting right now at a $1.2 trillion market capital in the overall global crypto space, as we can see right here, we are sitting at 1.2 trillion at the moment. Then if the global cryptocurrency did a 5x and it went to 5 trillion, but the market dominance of QNT and HBAR Hedera were to also follow the trend and maintain their percentage, not even increase their percentage, then we are looking at, of course, 5x's in their own market capitals as well. So that's why I'm quite curious to see what could happen here. We could see the QNT price structure is really retesting this support zone over and over again around $95. Hopefully we do not see that slip away, because we are seeing the highs here. We're getting lots of swing lows. We're seeing a loss of resistance here. We're seeing the bulls lose a bit of momentum. So fingers crossed we don't lose this $95 level, but the actual social dominance here is what we want to be looking at. And I'm going to show you why they're very interesting, comparing QNT and also HBAR Hedera in terms of their social and market cap dominance. So at the moment, this coin holds around about 0.12% market cap dominance of that 1.2 trillion. So let's say the global market capitalization does a 5x, it goes to 5 trillion, and we still got 0.12%, then you're going to have like around a 5x in terms of the market capital. The coin's value will also change. So what if this particular coin did a 10x in terms of its social dominance, or the market dominance right here? It would go to 1%. And let's say we had a 5 trillion market cap, you'd then be looking at a 500 billion overall market capitalization. So what we would want to be looking out for is basically a 5 trillion market capitalization with a 0.2% market dominance. That would give you the 100 billion overall valuation for this project. And I think it's very possible. Another one is Hedera. So we can see this one has a 2 billion market capitalization. It does need to do a 50x in order to get that 100x level, but let's say it didn't do a 50x, it just did like a 25x to the 50 billion, guys. And I personally think it's possible. We look at the price structure here. We can see in the previous bull run, Hedera HBAR was at $0.43. If we use our logarithmic regression over here, we can see the pragmatic targets give you $1.17, which is absolutely crazy, in my opinion. And it could certainly happen. So I need to find a quick chart right here, a price range. And if it does go up to there, you're looking at 1,875%. So that does give you that 18.75x. That's just following the Fibonacci retracement. It does actually look like HBAR Hedera is in a really nice double bottom formation as well. So a little heads up that we could actually see a breakout to this resistance here of the 0.098 level, where we get a massive pump to the upside. I would love to see that. I really would. So let's say the global market capital for crypto goes to 5 trillion in the next bull run, which is a 5x. We can see right now Hedera HBAR is a 2 billion market capitalization. When we look at the social and market capital dominance for this coin, because let's face it, influencers always talk about QNT, HBAR. If I make a video on these, usually they do quite well, and overall media and coverage and news coverage on these coins is very high. So we can already see that the market cap dominance does actually trend in waves. It goes up, it retraces, up, retrace, up, retrace. But overall, it's a very, very bullish looking chart right here. So let's say this did a very, very juicy, let's say it was to move up, guys, to, I don't know, let's say a 0.3% market dominance of the total market capitalization, which is actually back to a major resistance range, which we can see right here. Do apologize, the hay fever is crazy, really peeing me off actually. So what else is going on? So yeah, if we actually did reclaim the 0.3% market capital dominance, however, let's say this was at the next bull run, so we see HBAR Hedera naturally grow and expand, but we're at 5 trillion market capitalization. You'd be looking at 0.3% of 5 trillion, which would be your $150 billion market capitalization for HBAR Hedera, which would actually put it way up like a 50x plus. So I do think $100 billion is actually on the cards for these particular tokens because of their market dominance and the way it does climb with the rest of the market. The market dominance follows the global dominance, right? The global market capitalization. So the global market cap and the altcoin market dominance, they do have a correlation. They are closely tied together. It shows you they're not a shitcoin because people are always talking about it. There's always protocol upgrades around the corners, big partnerships around the corner, stuff like that. And we saw it happen for Cardano. It was in this lull phase and it absolutely exploded. So that's what I think could potentially happen, guys, honestly, for these two altcoins right here. Of course, it is speculation. I'm going to quickly interrupt this video right now, guys, because if you want to become a patron, support this channel, help us grow. We are just breaking out of 20,000 subscribers. We do have one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency discords out there at the moment, known as the Jacob Crypto Clan. So do check it out down below. You can either become a crypto legend or a crypto champion or a crypto warrior or even a crypto hunter, whichever you prefer. You're going to get a bunch of different benefits depending on which one you go for anyway. So just wanted to make a quick video and a little highlight of this. If you do want to get yourself into the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord, it is also linked down below. Please click there, become a patron, support the movement, unlock benefits such as leverage trades, spot trades, all that juicy stuff. You know, if you're a busy person, you need the signals delivered right to you, that's the place to be. Anyhow, guys, that's why I think it's possible to see HBAR and QNT reach either between $50 and $100 billion each in terms of overall market capitalization, because we see their market dominance, like this right here, the market dominance charts, they are very, very heavily correlated to the overall global market capitalization of cryptocurrency at any given time. So if the market capital of overall cryptocurrency, let's say, goes to 5 trillion or 10 trillion, and they're still holding their market dominance percentages, or they double, then you're going to see a much larger valuation of these blue chip projects. They're in the top 50, they're in the top 25 probably. Haven't actually checked. But yeah, guys, they're certainly in the top 50s. So have a look at these coins, do some research, get yourself into the Discord down below, and I hope this video was somewhat insightful for you. I'm very, very bullish on both of these projects. I think we could see for QNT a $300+ easily, maybe even $1,000 by the next crypto bull run, and for HBAR, I think $1 is certainly on the table once again. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment, let the algorithm know we're here. See you later.